Shri Guru Namaga children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. See, this is 12th standard max, state board, chapter 10, exercise 10.8, 7th sum. Water at temperature 100 degrees C, that is the boiling point of water is 100 degrees C. Cools in 10 minutes, it become 80 degrees C. In a room temperature 25 degrees C. Find the temperature of water after 20 minutes, the time when the temperature is 40 degree C. Log of the value is given. See here, you can use it by a Newton's law of cooling. By using Newton's law of cooling, let T be the temperature. Let T be the let T be the temperature. T be the temperature. Let T be the temperature of water at any time t of water at any time t time at any time t. Let T be the temperature of water at any time t. So S be the room temperature. S be the room temperature. It is constant. S be the room temperature. It is constant. What is the room temperature? It is given in the question. 25 degrees C. That is a room temperature. It is constant. It is given as what? 25 degree C. You can 25 degrees C. It is constant. So by Newton's law of cooling, we can apply this Newton's law of cooling. By Newton's law of cooling, rate of change of temperature, that is dt by according to the dt by t, rate of change of temperature, dt by dt, rate of change of temperature according to the time taken is directly proportional to the temperature minus room temperature. So by removing this proportionality, we can apply k, dt by dt equal to k into t minus s. So dt by t minus s equal to k into dt. Integrating on both the sides, dt by t minus s equal to k into integral dt. So log of mod of t minus s. Log of mod of t minus s equal to kt plus log of mod c. Log of mod c. So log of modulus of t minus s equal minus log of mod c equal to kt log of modulus of t minus s by c equal to kt. By removing this, c t minus s by c equal to e power kt, t minus s equal to c e power kt, t equal to s plus c e power kt. In this, room temperature is constant, that is s value equal to 25 degrees C. So you can take it as t equal to 25 degrees C plus c e power kt, because room temperature yes. Then you can take it as the first equation. When t equal to 0, starting when t equal to 0, temperature of the water is 100 degrees C. You can substitute here 100 equal to 25 plus c e power k into 0. So 100 minus 25 equal to c into e power 0 value is 1. 75 equal to c. 75 equal to c. You can substitute in this equation t equal to 25 plus 75 e power kt. You can take it as second equation. After 10 minutes, it become t equal to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, then temperature become 80 degree. The temperature become 80 degrees. See, after 10 minutes, the temperature become 80 degree. The temperature become 80 degree. So T equal to 10 minutes, then temperature equal to 80. So you can substitute in this equation itself. 80 equal to 25 plus 75 e power 10k. 80 minus 25 equal to 75 e power 10k. 80 minus 25 is nothing but what? 55. 25 is 55. 55 equal to 75 e power 10k. E power 10k equal to 55 by 75. 55 by 75, you can take it as 3. Can take it as 3. See, after t, when t equal to 20, when t equal to 20, temperature equal to 20 degree. When sorry, temperature t equal to time equal to 20 minutes. When t equal to 20 minutes, see here, see it is given when t equal to 20 minutes. T equal to 20 minutes. If we say 20 minutes, after 20 minutes, they are asking the first subdivision, then the second subdivision after 40 degree. So when T equal to 20 minutes, when T equal to 20 minutes, temperature, you can write it here, T minus, this is the first subdivision. What is the temperature? What is the temperature? T equal to 20 minutes. T equal to temperature equal to, you can substitute here, temperature equal to 25 plus 75, 25 plus 75 e power 25 plus 75 e power 20k, e power 20k. It gives 25 plus 75 e power 10k the whole square. You know the formula, a power m whole power n equal to a power mn. So 25 plus 75 into e power 10 value is what? 10k value is 55. 55 by 75 the whole square from 3. 55 by 7, 55 by 75 the whole square from 3. It gives 25 plus 75 into 55 into 55 by 75 into 75. 75, 75 get cancelled. So you simplify, do the calculation part, you simplify and get the value is t equal to 25 plus t equal to, you divide and check the value, t equal to 25 plus 25 plus 40.33. So what is the temperature? Temperature equal to 65.33 degree C. 65.33 degree C. Then now we move on to the second subdivision. Second subdivision, what? T equal to at 40 degrees C. What is the time? Temperature here given, T equal to 40 degrees C. What is the time? T equal to 40 degrees C. What is the time? So T equal to 40. See, from 3. From 3 you will take it as from third equation. From third equation you will take it as 11 by 15. 11 by 15 equal to e power 10k. 11 by 15 equal to e power 10k. Apply log on both the sides. Log of 11 by 15 equal to 10k. What is the value of k? Log of 11 by 15 is given in the question itself. The value is minus 0. Minus 0.3101. So minus 0.3101 equal to 10k. What is the value of k? K equal to minus 0.3101 by 10. So K equal to minus 0.03101. 0.03101. So second subdivision, see the second subdivision, T equal to 40 degree. See the second subdivision, T equal to temperature equal to 40 degrees. See what is the time? What is the time taken? So you will substitute here 40 minus 25. You can substitute in this equation. 40 minus 25 equal to 75. 75 e power kt, e power kt, 75 e power kt from 2. You can apply in 2. So 15 equal to 75 e power kt. 15 by 75 equal to e power kt. 15 by 75 equal to 15 by 75 equal to e power kt. When we reciprocal this value, 75 by 15 equal to e power minus kt. The sign is changed. So 15 ones are 15 5s are. So 5 equal to e power minus kt. Apply log on both the sides. Log 5 equal to log minus kt. Log 5 equal to minus kt. So what is the value of k? Log 5 value is 1.6094. 1.6094 it is given, equal to minus k value is what? K equal to minus of 0.0, minus of 0.03101 into t, 0.0101 into t. Okay, so minus into minus become plus. So 1.6094 equal to 0.03101 into t. T equal to 1.6094 by 0.03101. So the value is you will divide that value. You will divide, you will see, you will divide what is the value we are getting. 16094 multiply by 10,000 both numerator and denominator. So you will get 310.1. 310.1. So temperature T equal to you divide 16094 divided by 310 5 times, 310 5 times 1550. The value is, remaining value is what? Remaining value is 594. So it will one time 310. So it's approximately T equal to 51. T equal to 51.89 minutes. 51.89 minutes. You will do the calculation in the upper column. See the eighth sum. At 10 a.m., a woman took a cup of hot instant coffee from her microwave oven and placed it on nearby kitchen counter to cool. At that instant, T equal to 180 degrees C, that is temperature. After 10 minutes, it was 160 degrees C. Assume that the kitchen temperature is constant, that is 70 degrees C. What was the temperature of the coffee at 10:15 a.m.? And the woman likes to drink the coffee, its temperature with coffee 130 degree F to 140 degree F. What time she drank the coffee? Where is it possible? What time it is drunk the? What time she drank the coffee? Fahrenheit. See here at 10 a.m. Let T be the temperature. Let T be the temperature of coffee. Be the temperature of coffee. Let T be the temperature of coffee. Temperature of coffee at any time T. Temperature of coffee at any time T. Temperature of coffee at any time T. Any time T by Newton's law of cooling. By Newton's law of cooling, we can apply this theory by Newton's law of cooling. By Newton's law of cooling, dt by dt by dt dt by dt equal to dt, rate of change of temperature according to the time taken, is directly proportional to T minus S dt by dt. By removing this proportionality, we can apply K T into T minus S. So dt by T minus S equal to K into dt. Integral dt by T minus S equal to K into integral dt. So log of modulus of T minus S equal to kt plus log of modulus of C. Previously we have seen. So you bring that format T minus S equal to C e power kt. T minus S equal to C e power kt. So what is the room temperature? Room temperature S equal to, they have given us 70 degrees C. So T minus 70 equal to C e power kt. So starting T equal to 0, temperature of the coffee is 180 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees. So you can substitute 180 minus 70 equal to C e power k into 0. So 110 equal to 180 minus 70. 180 minus 70 equal to 110. 110 equal to C e power 0 value is what? 1. Therefore, C equal to 110 degree Fahrenheit. So you can substitute in this equation. So T minus 70 equal to 110 e power 80. You can take it as 2. You can take it as second equation. After 10 minutes, T equal to, after 10 minutes, what is the temperature? Temperature equal to 160 degree. After 10 minutes, temperature equal to 160 degree. So 160 minus 70 equal to 110 e power 10k, e power 10k. So this value is what? 90 equal to 110 e power 10k. So 0 get cancelled. E power 10k equal to, e power 10k equal to 9 by 11. E power 10k equal to 9 by 11. So you can take it as third equation. You can take it as third equation. See, I mean 15 minutes, temperature equal to, time equal to 15 minutes, when T equal to 15 minutes, T equal to 15 minutes, what is the temperature? T equal to 15 minutes, what is the temperature? T minus 70 equal to 110 e power 15k, 110 e power 15k. So this value T minus 70 equal to 110 e power 15k. You can write it as what? E power 30 by 2k. E power 30 by 2k. So you will write it as e power 30 by 2k. 110 into e power 10k, e power 10k whole power 3 by 2, e power 10k whole power 3 by 2. What is the value of e power 10k? E power 10k whole power 3 by 2. E power 10k value is what? 9 by 11. 9 by 11. So 110 into 9 by 11 whole power 3 by 2 from 3. From 3. You can do it in your upper column. square root of 9 by 11 equal to 0.9045. 0.9045. So square root of C here e power 110 into the 3 by 2 you can split up into 9 by 11 whole power 1 into 9 by 11 whole power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2. See, if it is the bases are same, you can add the powers. If you can add the powers, you can get the value 3 by 2. So it gives 110 into 9 by 11 into 0.9045. 0.9045 1 times 10 times. 1 times 10 times. So what is the answer for this? 90 into 0.90 into 90 into 0.9045. 90 into 0.90, 90 into 0.9045. So T minus 70 equal to 90 into 0.9045 is nothing but what? 81.4. 81.4. T equal to 81.4 plus 70. T equal to 151.4. 151.4 degree F. You should find out the value of K first. So to find the value of K, see here, 9 by 11 equal to, from 3 you can take it as 9 by 11 equal to e power 10k. Apply log on both the sides. 10k equal to log of 9 by 11. Log of 9 by 11. K equal to what is the value of log of 9 by 11? It is given in the question itself. Minus 0.2006. 10k equal to minus 0.2006 by 10. 6 by 10. So what is the value of k? K equal to minus 0.2006 and the temperature T equal to 130 degree. What is the time? So 130, the same way you can proceed. 130 you can apply in the equation 2, equal to 110 e power kt. 110 e power kt. 60 by 110. 60 by 110 equal to e power kt. 6 by 11. Log of 6 by 11 equal to, log of 6 by 11 equal to e power that k value is what? Minus 0.02006. So log of 6 by 11 equal to, e power minus 0.02006 t. 006 t. When we apply log, see, when we apply log, that e will cancel. So you will write kt. Here. Log of 6 by 11 equal to kt. Log of 6 by 11 value is given in the question. In the question itself, 0.6135 equal to minus 0.02006 t. Minus get cancelled. Temperature T equal to 0.60635 by 0.02006. When we cancel, you can get the value 30.216 minutes. 30.216 minutes. Then if T equal to 140 degree, if T equal to 140 degree Fahrenheit, what is the time? So the same way you can apply in equation to 140 minus 7 equal to 110 e power kt. 110 e power kt. So 70 equal to 110 e power kt. 70 by 110 equal to e power kt. 7 by 11 equal to e power kt. Apply log on both the sides. Log of 7 by 11 equal to kt. Log of 7 by 11, the value is given as what? Minus 0.45198 equal to minus 0.02006t 60. So minus minus get cancelled. 0.45198 by 0.02006 equal to t, equal to t. So t equal to 22.53 minutes. T equal to 22.53 minutes. So you can do the calculation part. T equal to temperature T, time T equal to 22.53 minutes. So yeah, temperature 130 to 140 comes between 1022 to the temperature, because a woman wants to drink the coffee between the temperature 130 to 140. The temperature 130 to 140 between comes between what is the time? Comes between the temperature 130 to 140 comes between 10:22 to 10:30 a.m. 10:22 to 10:30 a.m. 10:22 to 10:30 10:22 to 10:30 a.m. 10:22 10:22 to 10:30 a.m. approximately. 10:30 a.m. approximately. Between 10:22 to 10:30 a.m. approximately. I hope you enjoyed, children. See, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.